Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Al here with Making Stuff and Breaking Stuff. So today I have another great Ryobi tool review for you. Today it's the Ryobi P714 EverCharge kit. Now, I was just at the Home Depot, and this kit goes for $69.99, which it comes with the battery and charger and the vacuum, where they have the battery and the charger going for $69.99 by itself. So I figured you get the battery, you kind of get the tool for free. Thought that was a pretty good deal. I picked it up. We're going to check it out, see how it runs compared to the old, the P713. Do you feel the Okay, so we'll break down the parts for you here. So this is the P180 wall adapter. Plugs onto the unit itself, like so. That's how it charges. The base tool, and then of course the very disappointing 1.3 amp hour P102, which I thought this was the 2 amp hour battery. What's the 2 amp hour battery number? P109, I think. I can't remember. So this is how you open it up, like this. This pops open, pretty easy, and then you pull the filter out, and then this is where the dirt will be. And it kind of has a 2-stage filter. This little HEPA filter. Puts it like that. Pops back in, snaps back into place like that. I almost wish they had a little handle to pull it out, because these little tabs, if you have big fingers like me, it's kind of hard to get it in and out, especially after you use it. It's been kind of suction cupped in there from the force, and then it's really hard to get out of there. But snaps on pretty easy. Battery goes on the back, and it does have an LED indicator, but with this I thought it came on when it was running, but it only indicates when it's plugged in, it's charging. You can see it's got the little long, slow means that it's fully charged. Blinking means that it's charging. And then that one, which is evaluate something wrong with it if it stays lit up. Alrighty, should we get some dust and see what it sucks up here? Now, I don't know if it's meant to suck up stuff this big. All I had handy was some corn, my deer feeder. Let's see how it sucks up some corn. On button. Oh, wow. It's actually pretty slick. That actually sucked that up a lot better than I thought it would. And then to keep it inside, it has this little rubber flap. You can kind of see it in there. Try that one more time. Not bad. Now I'm just going to kind of simulate sawdust as these crushed up crackers, because I swept up all my sawdust because I'm kind of picky about my floors. That actually worked a lot better than I thought it would. I think that's pretty full there. Let's see how much, see what I mean, how it's hard to get that off. Now I heard that this filter collects really bad with dust and stuff. That's why I didn't do sheetrock dust. You can see it does cake on there pretty well, but it comes off easy enough. Just blow that off with air compressor. And you're good to go. That's not bad. You know, that's actually better than I thought it would be. So, I kind of like it. this would be very handy. See, the other model has the little brush that comes out. I don't know why this one doesn't. I wish it had that. If you're getting into smaller spots, you could use it in the truck or your car. Minivan, whatever you roll, SUV. All right. Well, I really don't know what else I could show on here. If I had some more material to suck up, I would. If you have any questions, go ahead. Leave them down in the comments. I'd be more than happy to get back to you if you have any questions about it. Goes in like that. Snap it in like that. And then it says all you need is 2 screws. Mounted on the wall somewhere. And you can see it charges right there through the unit itself. It didn't come with an actual charger. It hooks up on here, like this. And you're good to go. I'm going to plug it in just so you can see how it lights up. I don't have a outlet that's close. Plug it in, and then the light flashes saying it's charging. And that's it, really. And then when it's fully charged, it's kind of a letting you know that it's fully charged. It's on standby mode. Blinking is charging, and then if it's blinking fast, that means that there's something wrong. Check it. There you go. So the only one thing that I found to complain about this thing is the on-off button is very touchy. So you just kind of... It's really not much force. So if you just had this in the car or something and you were to set it down and bump it, that's it. Other than that, I kind of like it. $69.99, the Home Depot. You get the tool almost for free because you get the battery and the charger. So it's not bad. I like it. Consumer review, I give it 1 thumb up, not 2. I'm not crazy about it. I wish it was the brushless one. Like I said, this replaced the older 713, which was that kind of like the round humped one. I do like the look of it. The grip is very grippy, very ergo comfortable. Yeah, it's kind of stylish. I like it. Oh, did I say how much it weighs? 2.2 pounds. Yeah, capacity is 3.5 cups, which we showed. I mean, that's quite a bit of junk. You know, that'll clean off the old workbench pretty well. Hope you liked that quick little review I did of the EverCharge vacuum kit. Comes with the battery, charger, and unit itself. $69.99 at the Home Depot. Not too bad. Give it 1 consumer thumb up. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Don't forget, like, subscribe. I do have that giveaway coming up here real quick, probably within the next week. I want to have that video out. See ya!